Okay, so you're sitting there, minding your own business, maybe planning your next project, or maybe just trying to figure out what to eat for dinner. And then it hits you, how old is ClickUp, right? A simple question, but one that, surprisingly enough, not many people seem to know the answer to. I mean, think about it. ClickUp's everywhere. It's in our laptops, our phones, it's probably even in our dreams. Okay, maybe not that last one. But how long has this productivity powerhouse been around? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, let's talk about why this even matters. Knowing the age of a software can give you some serious insights. For instance, it can tell you about the software's maturity, its track record, the kind of evolution it's gone through. And trust me, when it comes to productivity tools, evolution is key. So when was ClickUp born? Hold on to your hats, folks, because this might surprise you. ClickUp, the all-in-one productivity platform that promises to replace all your other apps, actually isn't as old as you might think. It wasn't some ancient, forgotten software that's been lurking in the shadows, waiting for its moment to shine. Insert brief, engaging anecdote or fact about the early days of productivity software to add context. Nope, ClickUp is relatively new to the scene. It burst onto the productivity landscape with a bang, introducing a fresh perspective on how we manage tasks, projects, and everything in between. It was like a breath of fresh air in a stuffy old office. Now, you might be wondering, what was the world doing before ClickUp? Well, let's just say it was a much more chaotic place. People were juggling multiple apps, spreadsheets were a nightmare, and deadlines were constantly missed. It was a productivity wasteland. But then, along came ClickUp, promising to be the ultimate solution to all our productivity woes. With its sleek interface, customizable features, and ability to handle everything from simple to-do lists to complex project management, it quickly gained traction. Insert brief overview of ClickUp's key features and benefits to reinforce its impact. So, while ClickUp might be a relative newcomer compared to some of the old guard productivity tools, it certainly made a massive impact in a short amount of time. It's captured the hearts and minds of millions of users worldwide and continues to evolve and improve. But how old is it exactly? Well, I won't keep you in suspense any longer. ClickUp was officially launched in insert launch date. So, as of today, it's calculate age. There you have it. ClickUp, while relatively young, has already established itself as a major player in the productivity game. It's a tool that has grown and adapted with its users, and it shows no signs of slowing down. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.